Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable default notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the more options or more option, then scroll down, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. And then select your Lily 2 active from the list of devices. Here it should say connected. Okay, now it is connected. Now we can scroll down, tap on notifications and alerts, then tap on smart notifications. And here we have general use, during activity, during sleep, basically 3 states of the watch. General use is when we use our watch normally. During activity is when we track an activity like running, cycling and stuff like that. And during sleep is when we sleep, basically when we're sleeping. First, let's tap on general use. And basically what we can do is to choose which types of notifications we want to receive when we use our watch. And we have show all, calls only, calls and text, and off. I want to see all of them, so I'm gonna select show all. Next we have during activity, and we have calls and text, calls only, show all and off. Same as the general use. And then we have sleep, and again, oh no, never mind, this is a different option. We can enable or disable the do not disturb mode during sleep right here. So if you disable do not disturb mode, you will receive the notifications. If you enable it, they will be the notifications will be muted basically. Okay, next we have the privacy, and here we can select action and gesture. Basically, if you select the action option, you will need to press the action button, the upper one, to reveal the content of the notifications, because otherwise they will be like obscured. The content won't be visible on the screen of the watch. And the gesture, you will need to perform the wrist gesture. And then we have the app notifications. And as it says below it, basically we can select or choose which applications can send notifications to our Garmin device. So we can tap on app notifications. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see this pop-up. You need to tap on allow. And once you allow the required permissions, you can turn on the notification access. It should be allowed already. It is. So it's fine. And then we can enable or disable the all applications. So basically, it will enable it or disable it for all of the applications on your phone, or you can do it for specific apps. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for Brave, and you receive the notification from Brave on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch. You will see it only on your phone. Okay, so customize it to your liking, and once you're done, you can go back to the settings page, this one, and sync the devices together to apply the settings. And after you're done, the notifications should be working. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and see. We're gonna test it basically. Okay. And as you can see, it is working. We got the notification on our phone, also on our watch. And that's how you enable default notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.